Good morning, Discover Canada Tours family. Welcome to my 500 square foot apartment because of course we're all stuck indoors. Today I'm going to show you how to make calm down glitter bombs. These are great for anxiety, stress, and they make a little galaxy inside of a jar just to help you meditate and calm down. For this adventure, you're going to need warm or hot water, any kind of clear empty jar or container. Now the recipe I'm using calls for glitter glue, which I don't have, so I'm going to use clear glue and corn syrup and be creative. Food coloring, a whisk, glitter, and finally, dish soap. All right, let's get started. The recipe basically calls for 1 part of glitter glue and 2 parts of hot water. Instead of glitter glue, I'm going to use the corn syrup and the clear glue, so let's dump this in. Squeeze in the glue. Water. So you whisk, 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 whisk. That's why it says to use hot water or warm water so it dissolves the glitter glue. Then we're gonna add some food coloring, not too much because you don't want it to be too dark to overpower your glitter. So I'm just gonna put 1 drop, 2 drops for now and see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful kind of like aquamarine sort of color. Then add the glitter. Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. And then some of this kind. The dish soap is optional because if your glitter is all getting stuck at the top, you can fix that problem by just adding 1 or 2 drops of dish soap, and it'll help to make sure the glitter disperses evenly. Once you've added all the ingredients to the jar, that's 2 parts of glue, corn syrup, to 1 part water. You're gonna make sure you fill the entire jar so that there's still a little bit of room to shake and turn it around. My glitter is in there, my food coloring is in there, and then I'm gonna put the lid on. Now just give it a little swirl, and there you have it. My name's Jennifer from Discover Canada Tours.